My name is Adriana Vargas. I'm an Associate Research Professor at the National Center for Asphalt Technology, and my areas of research are pavement preservation, pavement management, and pavement rehabilitation. Pavement preservation is a series of planned activities that are carried out during the life of a pavement to maintain a good level of service. Typically, these activities are performed when the pavement is still in good structural condition and we only need minor functional improvements or to slow down the rate of deterioration of the pavement. Pavement preservation has many benefits. We have economic benefits because we are typically talking about less cost per square yard. We also have environmental benefits because we're using less raw materials. We are using less temperature. Typically, we're applying this at low temperatures in the field, so we don't have as many emissions or energy consumption, for example. We also have the benefit that this is done very quickly relative to more of the typical rehabilitation activities, so the lane can be opened back to traffic fairly quickly. NCAD has been performing several pavement preservation studies, more notably what we call the Pavement Preservation Group Study. It is a long-term research effort that has been conducted since 2012, and there have been many state DOT agencies participating and funding this research since then. Also, industry has been a key partner for this, as well as the Federal Highway Administration. So with this big effort between all the parts, we've been able to build and monitor test sections throughout this whole time. We have sections in 2 states, so we have sections in Alabama and in Minnesota, and this is to capture very different climatic conditions. We also have them on low traffic volume roadways, such as county roads, and higher traffic volumes like US routes. The idea is to have that variety of different conditions that we can assess to better evaluate the effects of those variables on the performance of the treatments. Through all these years, we have been collecting data on the performance of the sections such as cracking, roughness as given by the IRI, rutting, texture, friction, structural condition, permeability. So it depends on the treatment exactly what we're looking for each of the sections and the analyses, but we've been able to gather a good amount of information throughout this whole year. Some of the key findings that we have been able to obtain, one of the more significant ones would be the effect of that initial condition on the performance and the resulting benefits of the pavement. We have known for years this is a key variable, but this hasn't been very well quantified. So we had the ability to take all of our data and all of our research to give better estimates on the expectancy of the different treatments in terms of benefits. So we know that there is a significant change in the benefits if you're placing the treatment when the pavement is still in good condition versus if you do it later on when your pavement is a little too far gone. That is one of the main findings. We also know that there are significant benefits when you combine those treatments as well. So doing things like multiple layers of treatments or treatment combinations can give you great benefit. And it's not just adding the benefits of one and the other, it is much more than that. So that has far exceeded some of the expectations that we have. If you are interested in getting more information and getting some of that performance data, we have it on our website. We have a tool that has been developed to be able to visualize the results. So you can navigate through it. It's very user-friendly. We have a manual that explains how to navigate this tool. We have published a final report with the findings from phases 1 and 2 of the study. And we have multiple journal and conference papers that have also been published. That's all on our website. We've done a series of webinars also covering the different treatments, and those recordings are also available to the public.